Hi all. The analytical community is in touch with you, Guru.Markets. Thank you for paying attention to us. Dear viewer, please give this video a royal like. Your like is very important for the spread of the channel Guru.Markets. We will compare the main indicators of the company with you, Five9 Inc, ticker FIVN. This review was created using information as of August 20th, 2024. By classification, Guru.Markets company Five9 Inc belongs to the subcategory soft infrastructure. 14 companies take part in the assessment, and this is more or less representative. We start with summary data about the company. If you're interested, you can put it on stop. We invite you to look at all the indicators of the organization under study more carefully. Access to the database with the ticker structure is absolutely free and open. So, friends, we are finally starting. Market capitalization of the organization Five9 Inc is $2.61 billion. Market capitalization of the subcategory is $98 billion. Five9 Inc accounts for a share of 2.66% and is one of the small companies in the subcategory. The company's balance sheet capitalization is estimated at $0.51 billion, with a balance sheet capitalization of the subcategory of $31 billion. Five9 Inc constitutes a share of 1.645%. Comparing the shares of market and book value, we see the following. Occupied share Five9 Inc in the subcategory in case of market value assessment is 2.66%. The balance sheet capitalization is 1.645%. This is 38% less than the share of market value. Assessment of the company's share of market and balance sheet capitalization of the subcategory. Bad, -1 point. The analyzed company's debt obligations amount to $1.18 billion. Debt to book value is 231.4% of capital. Result on the level of debt obligations of the company, very bad, -2 points. The balance of the company's market price to its profit corresponds to 0, with an average in the subcategory of 70.7, which is significantly worse than the average in the subcategory. Evaluation of the market price to earnings ratio in comparison with in the subcategory. Very bad, -2 points. Profit for the last 12 months was -$53 million. Forward earnings for the next 12 months are unknown, which is bad for the company's price. Assessment of expected future profit in comparison with companies in the subcategory. Good, 1 point. The company's value to revenue ratio is 2.7. The average in subcategory 5 is 46% lower than in subcategory. Assessment of the company's market value to revenue indicators in comparison with the indicators of subcategory companies. Good, 0.5 points. Revenue for the last 12 months was $970 million. Forward revenue for the next 12 months is unknown. This is extremely bad for the company's price. Assessment of the estimated future sales volumes in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory. Bad, -1 point. If you are interested in such analytics, we kindly ask you to subscribe to us and click on the bell. Thank you for your subscription. The margin is -5.4%, with an average for the subcategory of 7.1%. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 12.5%. Assessment of marginality in comparison with indicators in the subcategory, tolerable, -0.5 points. The company's share by number of employees in the subcategory is 4.46%. This is a 68% increase in market capitalization share. This reflects an imbalance in the company's market price Five9 Inc., most likely towards underestimation. The amount of capital per company employee is $974,000. And for the subcategory, $1,633,000. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 40.4%. Estimation of the amount of market capital of the company per employee in comparison with the indicators of subcategory companies. Good, 0.5 points. The amount of profit per employee is minus $19,600. The average in the subcategory is $23,100. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 15%. Estimation of profit per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory. Tolerable, minus 0.5 points. Sales volume for each employee of the company is $361,000. In the subcategory, $325,000. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 11%. Estimation of sales per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory. Tolerable, minus 0.5 points. The volume of short transactions is 8.6%, with an average for the subcategory of 4.4%. This is a short squeeze indicator. Indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 40% for the company Five9 Inc. Whereas for the subcategory this level is approximately 51%. Potentially, the shares of the subcategory are valued higher than the company's Five9 Inc. Comparing the dynamics of the company's share price Five9 Inc. and subcategory companies. We see that over the past 12 months, the company's shares Five9 Inc. showed dynamics of minus 50.8%. Against the price dynamics for the subcategory of 10.5%. This clearly does not indicate anything, but you need to take note of this fact. Before showing the final score, I kindly ask. Leave your rating of the company Five9 Inc. in the comments to this review. Your responses in the comments help develop information from Guru.Markets. The result is this. Minus 5.5 out of 10 points. The average score for the subcategory is 0 points. If you look very broadly, within the US market as a whole, we see that the average result for the entire stock market as a whole is 0.3 points. Against the company's score of minus 5.5 points Five9 Inc. Let's go to the order table, which is available. The link is in the pinned comment. The order table contains absolutely all previously made decisions by the stock valuation information and reference System.GURU.Markets. Access to the order table is free and open. Link in pinned comment. As a result of the analysis of the company's securities Five9 Incorporated, Guru.Markets open an order due to the fact that Five9 Incorporated, the most overvalued company in the subcategory. Let me remind you that March 18, 2023, an order has been published, ticker DBRG. Information and Reference Assessment System.GURU.Markets. The following decision was made on this order. Close the order. The result is a loss of 9.9%. Thank you so much to the public for watching this video and for using the information system. Guru.Markets. You really are the coolest audience.